This is my recipe for Calabrian chili chicken meatball sandwiches. It's a bit of a mashup between a Calabrian chili chicken parm and a meatball sub. I've taken those two sandwiches, put them into a package that you can make easily at home and that really celebrates the excitement in the UK sandwich scene. Start with chicken mince, breadcrumbs, grated taste the difference, parmigiano reggiano cheese. On my travels, I ate a lot of sandwiches and I saw a lot of parmesan. This is right up there with the best of them. Italian herb seasoning. Mix them up with your hands, form into even balls, and then press them down until they're almost like little patties that will cook quicker and fit much neater into your finished sandwich. Cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes and fully cook through. Then it's time to go in with our secret weapon, that taste the difference Calabrian chili and fennel sauce. This is a shortcut to the sort of flavor that Chris was spending all that time over. It's a great hack. Stir in and just make sure it's warmed through. Make yourself a garlic butter, grated into softened butter with more of that Italian herb seasoning. Extra virgin olive oil, all stir together to combine until you need it. Now we get to build the sandwiches. So grab your ciabatta, split in half, spread one side with your lovely smoky garlic butter, spread another with a little of that Calabrian chili and fennel sauce, layer up your meatballs, and then we're gonna hit that with ragged hunks of beautiful, taste the difference mozzarella cheese. Dust all over with a generous grating of that parmigiano reggiano cheese. Pop that under the grill for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, pile it up with some shredded romaine lettuce for crunch. Pop that lid on, squidge it down, and tuck in. Listen, I may not have learned what gabagool is. I can't speak any Italian, but I'm very, very happy with this sandwich.